Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4 Maniacal. Today I'm going to talk in this video about top 5 best ATV LED light bar that you should buy. Let's get started. First on the list is the Nilight ATV LED Light Bar. The Nilight ATV Light Bar was designed for off-road use and is our top pick for several reasons. Both affordable and efficient, the NI06A series is easy to install and offers you more than 50,000 hours of illumination while you conquer all kinds of challenging terrain during your travels. Clear visibility during the night is incredibly important, and this model delivers a flood of pure 126W white light via a new and improved PC lens. The lens is tough and was made for outdoor use where your vehicle is bound to run into mud, sand, or water. This model also meets the IO68 standard, meaning that it is waterproof and comes with cooling fans that prevent the unit from overheating. Second on the list is the Eyourlife curved ATV LED light bar. The Eyourlife ATV LED light bar has a curved design and delivers a 288W bright beam with a lifespan of more than 30,000 hours. Made of aluminium alloy, this model is both durable and compatible with many powerful vehicles. Its beam has two settings, flood and spot. Floodlights can make a world of difference during your nocturnal ATV rides and offer the same level of brightness during the day as well. The curved design provides a broad view in the form of a 60-degree flood beam. The spotlight feature is energy efficient and provides a 30-degree beam, offering a more focused light source for your ATV. Third on the list is the YITAMOTOR ATV LED Light BAR. The YITAMOTOR LED Light BAR consists of a flood spot combo and a polycarbonate lens that are tailored for off-road use. This model offers 54 watts of power delivered by two 60-degree flood beams and one 30-degree spot beam. The bulbs are encased in a tough aluminium alloy frame that comes in two different shades, red and black. This product has a lifespan of more than 50,000 hours and is sealed using a waterproof rubber pad and a silicone sealing strip, allowing you to use it during snow and rain season. The energy-efficient design is also resilient and designed to withstand dust, earthquakes, as well as explosions. Fourth on the list is the PowerLab Triple Row ATV LED Light Bar. The Triple Row LED light bars from PowerLab offers high-density illumination via a combination of spot and flood beams. This design offers 144 watts in the form of pure white light that is emitted from 10-degree spot beams and a 150-degree flood beam. This combo creates a concentrated beam of white light down dark and narrow trails, allowing you to ride your vehicle at night without worrying about falling into a mud pit. There are 3 rows in total with a broad reflective plate that increases efficiency and illumination. Lastly, fifth on the list is the Nilight LED Work Light Bar. The NI23 series from Nilight is another premium offering with a lifespan of more than 50,000 hours. This lamp consists of LED chips with a special radiation angle that creates a much needed bright light for nocturnal off-road driving. These chips emit light from a deep reflective cup with an aluminum exterior made with waterproof glue that seals and protects the lamp from moisture all year round. Plus, the new and improved polycarbonate lens was designed for off-road use and will not get scratched by tree branches or any other nature-made obstacles that you may encounter while riding your ATV. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.